Given that sine y is 2 over 5, find tangent x. Now this is x. Tangent x. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Now the opposite of x is AB. We do not know, so we just put AB here. And the adjacent is this one, 2.4. So what we need to do is to find AB. Then we can find tangent x. Now the question now tells us that sine y is 2 over 5. Now sine y is 2 over 5. Sine is also opposite. So opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite of y is AB. So it's AB. And the hypotenuse of y is 15 degrees. Well, then we can find out AB. Right, then we can substitute this number 6 into here. Then we can find out tangent x. So we have tangent x equal to 6 over 2.4. So it is 2.5. So tangent x is 2.5. Next, find angle x in degree. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Well, if you want to find angle x, what we do is to move this tangent over to the right hand side, and we get inverse of tangent, and then the value 2.5. And with the help of the calculator, we are going to get the value 68.2 degrees. Next, we want to find AD. AD is this one. Now that we know that angle x is 68.2, we can find out the angle AD easily. And since we already know AB, from here, now AB is 6. So we know AB is 6, BD is 2.4, and we know the angle x is 68.2. So we want to find AD, which is hypotenuse. We can actually use sine or cos to find AD, or we can even use Pythagoras theorem. Now let's say here I'm going to use, let's say I use sine. So sine angle x is 68.2 degrees, and sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 6 here. This is the opposite 6, and hypotenuse is this one, AD, which we want to find. So over AD. So AD is equal to 6 over sine 68.2, and it is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Correct to 1 decimal place.